Your legs deserve more than just workouts. They need nutrition. These 5 vitamins are the secret. Most people think strong legs come from exercise alone. But after 60, that's only half the story. The truth is, without the right nutrients, your muscles can't do their job. They weaken, they tire faster. And over time, even a short walk can feel like a challenge. But here's the good news. Certain vitamins can change that. They don't just support muscle strength. They help protect your nerves, boost your energy, and keep your legs feeling steady and strong. And today, we're diving into the 5 most important ones. These are the nutrients that help your legs stay active, balanced, and full of life. Before we jump in, if you care about keeping your body strong and steady as you age, go ahead and hit that like button or leave a comment below. It helps us reach more people just like you. Let's start with the one most people overlook. Vitamin D. You probably already know it helps with bone health, but its role in muscle strength is just as powerful. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which your muscles need to contract. And that's key when it comes to standing, walking, or climbing stairs. Here's the problem. As we age, our skin gets less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. And if you're spending more time indoors, like many folks over 60, your levels might already be low. That kind of deficiency can quietly weaken your legs. You might notice trouble standing up from a chair, or feeling off balance when you walk. It sneaks up slowly. But when you bring those levels back up, that's when the magic happens. A daily supplement can help. So can a few minutes of morning sun or adding more vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, eggs, or fortified cereals into your diet. It's a simple change that can make a real difference in how your legs feel and perform. Next, let's talk about something that affects your nerves more than your muscles, but still impacts strength in a big way. That's vitamin B12. Ever feel tingling or numbness in your legs or feet? Or like your legs aren't getting the message when you want to move? That could be a sign your nerves need some support. Vitamin B12 helps maintain the health of your nervous system. And your nerves are what tell your muscles when to move, how to balance. Without enough B12, those signals start to break down. That leads to weakness, instability, and sometimes even falls. And here's the kicker. Your ability to absorb B12 goes down as you age. So even if you're eating well, you might still be low. The fix is easy. A daily tablet or even a melt-under-the-tongue version can help restore those levels. Some people need a shot if they're very low. But the most important step is finding out. A simple blood test can give you answers. And the change in how your legs feel, that can be life-changing. Let's move to a lesser-known vitamin that plays a big behind-the-scenes role. B1, also called thiamine. Think of this one as your body's spark plug. Thiamine helps turn the food you eat into usable energy, and your leg muscles need that energy to function, to lift, to balance, to keep you steady when you move. When thiamine is low, your muscles tire faster. They don't recover as well. You might feel slower, even if you're getting enough sleep. That dragging feeling in your legs. Sometimes, it's not about fitness at all. It's about fuel. And again, older adults are more likely to run low on thiamine. Whether from diet changes, medications, or absorption issues, it's one of those quiet deficiencies that can sneak up on you. The solution is gentle. Whole grains, nuts, and beans can help. Lean meats too. And in some cases, a small supplement can close the gap. It's not about it's about giving your body what it needs to keep your legs moving with purpose. We've covered 3 vitamins so far, each one with a unique job, but there are still 2 more we need to talk about. One supports how your body builds and repairs muscle. The other protects your muscles from stress and damage as you age. They work together, like the final pieces of a puzzle that keep your legs strong, your steps steady, and your confidence high. Let's keep going. We've already talked about vitamin D, B12, and B1. each one playing a different role in helping your legs stay strong and reliable. Now, let's talk about a quiet helper that most people forget about: vitamin B6. This one doesn't get much attention, but for older adults, it can make a real difference. Vitamin B6 is your muscle repair assistant. It helps your body process protein, which your muscles need to grow and stay healthy. Without enough B6, your body struggles to rebuild after everyday movement. It's like trying to fix a house without the right tools. And here's where it really matters. As we age, our muscles naturally start to break down a little more each year. It's normal. But without the nutrients to repair and rebuild, the process speeds up. You might feel like your legs aren't bouncing back after a walk, or like you're losing strength faster than you should. That's where B6 can help slow the clock. It's also involved in how your brain and muscles talk to each other. It supports neurotransmitters, those tiny messengers that help you balance and react quickly if you stumble. Foods like chicken, tuna, bananas, and potatoes are great sources. But sometimes, especially with age, diet alone doesn't quite cover it. A low-dose supplement can safely fill in the gaps, especially if you're feeling sluggish or noticing more muscle soreness than usual. And remember, this isn't about building bodybuilder muscles. This is about feeling steady when you stand, confident when you walk, safe when you're carrying groceries or climbing a step. Now let's talk about one more vitamin, the one that often gets misunderstood. This one is all about protection. Your muscles go through stress every day, from simple movements to unexpected slips or bumps. That stress creates little molecules called free radicals, and if those build up too much, they can damage your muscle cells. Vitamin E is your body's way of fighting back. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your muscles from this everyday wear and tear. Think of it like armor for your muscle fibers. It keeps them healthier, longer. Some studies even show that people with higher vitamin E levels are less likely to feel weak or frail. And in older adults, it's been linked to better physical performance and less muscle loss over time. But here's the thing. Balance is everything. Too much vitamin E, especially from high-dose supplements, can actually work against you. It can interfere with how your muscles respond to strength training or even slow down recovery. So the goal here isn't more, it's enough. Focus on food first. Almonds, sunflower seeds. If you do choose a supplement, look for a moderate dose and talk to your doctor to make sure it's the right fit for you. Because the last thing we want is to do something with good intentions and end up with the opposite effect. So now you know the 5: vitamin D, B12, B1, B6, and E. Each one has its own unique job, but together they form a powerful team that supports your leg strength from every angle: muscles, nerves, energy, repair, and protection. And if you're thinking this feels like a lot, you're not alone. It can be overwhelming to think about all the different nutrients your body needs, especially after sick. But here's what I want you to hear, loud and clear. You don't have to do this perfectly. You just have to start. One small change at a time. Maybe you add a little more sunlight to your day. Maybe you talk to your doctor about checking your B12. Maybe you toss a handful of sunflower seeds into your salad or grab a banana with your breakfast. Tiny changes over time add up to real strength. And here's another tip: don't rely on supplements alone. Supplements can be helpful, especially when your body has trouble absorbing certain nutrients. But the foundation should always be food, movement, and awareness. When you combine good nutrition with simple strength-building habits, your legs respond. They hold you up with more confidence. They recover faster. And they help you do the things you love without hesitation or fear. Let's be real for a second. One of the biggest fears many people have as they age is falling, losing balance, losing independence. And that fear is valid, but it's not your destiny. You can build a body that supports you, and vitamins are one of the tools that help you do that from the inside out. Now, before we wrap up this part, I want to quickly clear up a couple of common mistakes people make when trying to improve their leg strength with vitamins. The first is thinking more is always better. It's not. Especially when it comes to fat-soluble vitamins like D and E. Taking too much can lead to problems. More isn't the goal. The right amount is. That's why it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or pharmacist. They can help you understand what you need and what you don't. The second mistake is forgetting about consistency. Vitamins don't work overnight. They take time, weeks, sometimes months, to rebuild what's been lost. So if you start a new supplement and don't feel different right away, don't give up. Stick with it. Give your body time to respond. Because the goal here isn't instant results. The goal is long-term strength, balance, and freedom. The kind that lets you keep doing what you love in your terms. So by now, you've got the big picture. Your legs need more than just movement. They need nourishment-specific age-marked nutrients that help keep your muscles strong, your nerves sharp, and your energy steady. But here's something important to remember. You don't have to tackle all of this at once. You don't need a drawer full of supplements or a perfect meal plan. What your body really needs is attention, a little awareness, and a few thoughtful choices made day by day. Maybe it starts with checking in at your next appointment and asking about your vitamin D or B12 levels. Maybe it's swapping one snack for something more new. Maybe it's just realizing that the strength in your legs isn't lost, it's waiting to be rebuilt. And when you feed your body what it's been missing, it responds. You start to feel stronger standing up, more stable on uneven ground, less wobbly, less tired, more grounded. That sense of I can still do this. It starts coming back. Now, let's talk briefly about how all these vitamins work together. Think of your body like a well-tuned orchestra. One vitamin might play the drums, helping your muscles contract. Another might play the flute, delivering signals through your nerves. Another keeps the rhythm steady by giving your cells the energy they need to perform. And when even one instrument is out of tune, you feel it. That's why it's not about finding the one perfect vitamin. It's about supporting the whole system in balance, gently, with care. Vitamin D helps you absorb calcium, which your muscles need to contract properly. Without it, even your strongest leg muscles can feel sluggish. Vitamin B12 makes sure the signals from your brain reach your muscles quickly and clearly. When it's low, it's like sending a text that never gets delivered. Vitamin B1 helps turn your meals into movement. Without it, your legs feel like they're running on empty. Vitamin B6 is your builder and repair crew, helping muscle tissue rebuild and stay resilient. And vitamin E stands guard, protecting everything from oxidative stress like a shield against daily wear and tear. Together, they help you keep doing the things that matter, going for a walk, dancing in the kitchen, getting up from the couch without hesitation, and most importantly, living life on your feet, not in fear of falling. That's the real gift here. Now I know what some people are thinking. They hear about all this and wonder, is it too late? Have I already lost too much? The answer is no, absolutely not. Your muscles are still listening. Your body still wants to heal. And the changes you make today, no matter how small, can absolutely shift the path ahead. Even if you've already had a fall. Even if your legs feel weaker than they did a year ago. Even if you're just starting this journey now. This is your moment to reclaim strength. With knowledge, with simple, science-backed choices, with the quiet belief that your body hasn't given up on you and you don't have to give up on it either. If anything in this video resonated with you, take a moment right now. Leave a comment. Share your experience. Or tell us one small thing you're going to try, whether it's checking your B12, sitting in the morning sun, or just taking a closer look at what's on your plate. And if you found this helpful, I hope you'll consider subscribing. There's so much more to explore when it comes to staying strong, steady, and confident as we age. Because you deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve legs that carry you where you want to go, with energy, with purpose, and without fear. And every step you take toward that starts with care. The care you show yourself today. Thanks for being here. Keep moving. Keep nourishing. And never forget you're stronger than you think.